How to use AI avatars in CapCut. So in CapCut, you can actually use AI avatars to read a transcript for you. How you are going to do this is you are going to click on a video, and then on the bottom screen where the bar is, you are going to slide all the way over to AI avatars.
Hey, good to see you.
These three. So there are going to be different avatars that you can see.
Hey, how are you today?
Hello, everyone.
So we'll click on one. We can enter in what we want them to say. Click apply, click generate, and you can even change the voice of there, so there are different preset voices.
Hello.
Let's compare these, and that is how you use AI avatars in CapCut.